Top 5 Best Car Diagnostic Tools in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box.
Number 4. VIDENT iSmart 810 Car Diagnostic Tool. VIDENT iSmart 810 provide best solutions for BMW/Benz/VW/Audi/Skoda for ECU coding. To replace the existing software/firmware in the electronic control unit, program new ECUs, and fix software-controlled driving performance and emission issues. Trophy All Systems Diagnostic. VIDENT iSmart 810 with topology map for faster full system diagnostic to view the communication structure between modules clearly with all the situation of each system to refresh. Hidden functions in ECU coding currently only support for BENZ, for BMW, for VW read/clear codes for all vehicle systems including engine, transmission, chassis and safety control system, body control system, communication and entertainment system, etc. Number 5. Launch X431 Creader Elite for BENZ Diagnostic Tools. The Launch X431 Creader Elite for Mercedes is a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. It offers in-depth diagnostic capabilities across all major systems, allowing users to perform comprehensive vehicle analysis and identify issues quickly. The tool also allows for online and offline ECU coding, enabling easy reprogram or reset of electronic control units. It features bidirectional control, allowing for interaction with vehicle components like sensors and switches. The Creader Elite offers over 31 reset functions, including ABS, SRS oil, and TPMS. It also has a guide function, AutoVIN scan, and allows for storage and tracking of critical maintenance information. It also features a DTC library, voltage monitoring, screenshot and screen recorder, and supports full OBD2 functionality, providing standard diagnostics for all vehicles with OBD2 protocols. The tool is versatile for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it an essential tool for vehicle maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.